Today, I'm going to weld some floorboards. Hope it works. So I started with this framing here. I put that in, welded in out of 1-inch square tubing. Went quite well, welded up quite nice with the MIG. I still have to go and weld the underside when I get the body on the rotisserie. Then I painted it with some self-etching primer because I heard that was weld-through primer. Found out, unfortunately, it's not. Thanks, Steve. So I ended up welding them in. And on the driver's side here, you can see they're all spot welded. Problem I ran into was welding down here into the 1-inch square tubing. It didn't stick, so I got oil canning. They all popped out. Around the edge, I was able to tie it into the tunnel, so that's not an issue. And again, at the other edge here, same thing. I tied it in, welded sort of over the edge. This is all going to be seam sealed and prettied up before I put carpet on it. But anyhow, everything is welded in. Again, at that back lip there, I had to kind of tie it in as best I could. So around the perimeter, everything is nice and solid. On the other side, what I did was I ground off the paint. And I got no oil canning. So the other side here, the passenger side, is good. I also tied in, you can see that, tied in a piece to strengthen up my A-pillars. And I made the passenger toe board. That's just tacked in right now, as is the front part of the tunnel. And I'll weld that in better when I get a chance. Anyways, that's the update for today. Oh, I did this side too. This isn't as pretty. Didn't work out as well. I took more time making a template for that side, and it just welded it beautifully. This side I had to add in pieces, and it is firm. This A-pillar was moving before, and now when you open and shut the door, the A-pillar does not move. So it is tied in there, which is what I wanted anyways. So the next thing is I've got to do the toe board for the driver's side, which will be a bit more difficult. And then I've got to figure a way to tie in the front part of the tunnel to my modified firewall. I had to put that in because of the HEI ignition. So I'll have to do some more cutting and welding and fabricating next time I come out. Anyway, thanks for watching.